My feeling is they'll get a warm welcome until that ball gets thrown, and then they'll have some problems.
Teletovic, red hot off the bench.
There's another switch. The Mavs continue to switch out of that zone.
Look at Teletovic, another three, and Mirza's 2 of 2 from deep. Since it's lofted into Quarterr, who finds Mevericks, blocked by Teletovic, and then Kirilenko on the denial.
Teletovic with a gamble defensively. Here we go again.
Teletovic, you bet! 3 in a row off the bench for Mirza. Twitter. Terry off the mark. Teletovic cleaning it up. Got hit, no call, but he gets the bucket. And 11 points off the bench in this second quarter for Mirza.
Teletovic is wide open again. Bang.
Will fire again. He got it! That one had rain.
Rick Carlisle is seeing it. And Teletovic, he sets himself up as well as anybody I've ever seen shooting the basketball before he shoots it. He's always right on.
Flex the pass, net's off and running again. Here's Teletovic with the finger roll off the dish from Williams.
Again tonight, led by Teletovic.
Teletovic again. Does he get the roll?
No.
He does! Oh, it's all going down.
He's out in the backyard shooting right now. Off the bench. Look at it though. Great. If you don't have rotation on the ball, that ball is never ever going to sit on the rim. And check out the bench.
Using the Garnett screen, Teletovic is open. Will fire. He got it.
See, that's ridiculous in terms of the way he's able to shoot like that. People just can't do what he just did as of yet.
Williams,
because it's been played out here.
Teletovic off the dribble.
Oh my goodness.
It's a 2, but it's still good for the unconscious Mirza Teletovic, who is 9 of 10, 24 points in the quarter. Tops his career high in this frame.
Look at this, when he gets Mevericks moving, Teletovic on the jumper, put those two names together and you get a bucket out of it. The way the Mavs have kind of recontrolled.
Teletovic gets ripped around the arm. Career high night.
Just seeing the ball, getting your rhythm, shooting the basketball. That's why he goes to the line. Knocks.
Bodying in, now backing away.
Yeah, go right back to him.
Teletovic fading away with the touch. 29 for Mirza Teletovic. Here's
there you go.
Latch gives it up. Teletovic. He got it. Here's a Teletovic with 32 points, Jim.
He couldn't wait to get that in his hands. Well, you take a look. Look who's ready right here. Can't wait to get it. Man, look at that. Just beautiful to watch. A lot of dribbling out front.
Shot clock winding down. Teletovic pulls up. The leader banks in.
Wow, was that his toughest shot of the night just then?
Goes to the line. We'll take another look on Yesmo.
Everybody thinks he's going to pull up from the outside and shoot it. Little drift concentration, perfect on Yesmo. Watch him drift just enough to get away from the extended hand of Quarterr just then.